Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on Snapchat. So let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Go to your Snapchat profile by tapping on the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can find the notifications option. Simply tap on it. Tap on the Enable Notifications option from the top of your screen. Now, you will be taken to a new window where you can see the Allow Notifications option. Simply tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn notifications on. And that's it. This is how you can enable notifications on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.